Hi, I'm here with Max Jacobson and Logan Wilkin. Do you play basketball?
Yes.
Do you play basketball?
Yes.
How many points do you think you're going to win by Max?
I'm not very confident. I don't think I'm going to win.
Okay. What about you, Logan?
7.
Okay, pretty good. What's your favorite NBA player?
Steph Curry.
What about you, Logan?
Larry Bird.
This game is going first 1 to 5.
Logan checks up with Max.
Oh.
Max going in.
Oh, and
Gets blocked by Logan. Go. Oh, Logan. Oh, rejected by Max. Max takes it out. Oh!
this thing is done.
Oh, Logan goes in. Pump fake. Hey! He makes it.
Yeah.
Logan touching him.
Oh, Logan. Great defense. Max. Oh, swatted by Logan. Max gets the ball. Oh, posterized. Check. It's 1-1. Logan. Pump fake. Dribbles. Gets stuck.
It's too weak.
Max has great D.
Air ball.
No. Oh, steal by Logan. What a pick. Oh, hey, absolutely swatted. The score is 2-1 Max. Oh, Logan. No, can't make it. He kind of sucks. Oh, the steal.
Out of bounds on.
Out of bounds on Logan. Max's ball. You guys got to check up. Oh.
Oh, okay. Oh, check up. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, Max gets the check. He's dribbling in. Oh. Great defense by Logan. Oh, he goes, hey! You too. Yeah.
All right, ready? Start.
It's been good.
Oh, okay. Let's go.
Let's go. Out. Oh, Max has the ball. Oh, pickpocket by Logan
What
every
defense
time.
by me?
Max's ball. Check up. Ooh. He checks it. Oh. Max, take him. Oh.
Yeah, buddy.
It sounded like he hit him.
Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah, time. Max has, the score's 3-2, Max.
Hey, you on?
Oh, Logan gets absolutely swatted.
Are we supposed to check?
Max with the ball.
No. Shoot.
Oh, Max dribbling. Oh, he's still dribbling.
Trying to.
Oh,
Get out.
hook shot by Max.
Oh, no.
Scores 4-2, Max. Logan needs a comeback here. Said he was going to win by 7. It's not even possible. Pump fake. Oh, pump fake again. Oh, what a weird shot. Gets the ball.
Oh, he got me.
Tries to get him with the
got
little
me.
pump fake. Max has the ball.
He's a little gripper ripper.
Pump fake. He missed. He could not make the dunk. Oh my god. Oh, what a move. Max only needs 1 point. Oh, Logan with the. Max has 4-3. Or no, score is 4-3 Max.
Dude,
Max dribbles in. Hey! Can't make it. Oh, out of bounds. On Max. Check up. It's 4-3 Max.
1 point to win it for Max.
Oh, Logan. Oh, can't do it. Out on Logan. They're checking up. Max gets the ball. Oh, takes him. Only needs 1. Hey! That's game. Max won 5-3.
I'm here with Logan, the loser, you know. How do you feel about that loss, Logan?
amazing.
Even though you said you would have win by 7, which wasn't possible.
Yes.
But it's okay, you got him next time, right? I'm here with Max Jacobson, the winner. How do you feel about this win?
Kind of shocked myself.
Yeah, and you thought you were going to lose too.
I did.
Here are the rules. I will say a question about the NBA. First to make the three-pointer gets the answer. This is a best-of-3 game.
Welcome to Ultimate Basketball Trivia. I'm here with Logan and Camden. Do you play basketball, Logan?
Yes.
Do you play basketball, Camden?
Yes.
What's your position?
2, 3, and 4.
Position?
Shooting guard.
Shooting guard? The first question is, who is number 30 for the Golden State Warriors? answer is?
Stephen
Logan is
Curry.
winning 1-0. Your second question is, who scored the 100-point game? And your answer is?
Kareem Abdul-Jabbar.
Incorrect.
So we keep going, right?
Yep.
I go.
Your second answer is?
Chamberlain.
Correct. The final question is, for the win, who was the 2024 NBA Finals MVP? For the win.
Jason Tatum.
Incorrect. For the win.
Jaylen Brown.
Correct. Winner. I'm here with the loser, Logan Wilkin. How do you feel about losing to Camden Seabrant?
Horrible.
What do you feel like you could have done better?
I could have gotten a better hoop because the in and outs were just terrible.
I'm here with the winner, Camden Seabrant. How do you feel about beating Logan Wilkin?
Good.
What do you feel like he should have done better?
Make more shots.
Welcome back to another Animus Gaming. I'm here with Will. Will, what's your favorite color?
Red.
Red. All right, that's a good one. Now you're going to be ranking games 1 to 5. What would you rank NHL 22?
4.
4. How about Wii Sports?
1.
W. How about 2K?
3.
What about Madden 20?
2.
All right, for the last question, what is your favorite gaming console?
Xbox.
Hello, and today I'm here with Tayson, and I'm going to be asking him to rank some video games. What's your favorite color first?
Purple.
What do you rank Wii Sports?
1.
2K24.
Probably 5.
What do you rank Madden 21?
3.
What about Fortnite?
2.
What about NHL?
4.
Thank you, and that's all for today. Bye.
Welcome to 2v2 One Bounce Volleyball. I'm here with Ava and Tamron, whose team won. Have you guys ever played volleyball before?
Yeah, and PE. Same.
Do you think you're gonna win?
Oh yeah, definitely. Maybe.
Hi, I'm here with Team 2, Tessa and Brenly. Have you two ever played volleyball?
Yes.
Nope.
Do you think you're gonna win?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm here with the winners, Ava and Tamron. How do you guys feel that you won?
Feel pretty good. I feel good.
I'm here with the losers, Brinley and Tessa on Team 2. How do you guys feel that you lost?
Fine.
Okay, I don't play volleyball. Thanks for watching. On to the next segment.
Welcome to Cooking with Kids. I'm Hadley.
And I'm Kinsley, and today we're with Emerson.
Emerson, what grade are you in?
8th. What's your favorite dessert? Brownies.
You ready to bake?
Yeah. Today, Emerson will be baking cookie bars. She'll have a large bowl, spatula, a whisk,
2 3/4 cup flour,
a half a cup of butter,
1 teaspoon salt,
1 cup to melt the butter in,
1/4 cup brown sugar,
1 egg,
1 cup of chocolate chips,
a half a teaspoon of baking soda,
2 teaspoons of vanilla,
and a half a cup of sugar.
Cooking with Kids.